There's the man. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back, guys. What are we doing? You gonna talk, or what are you doing up there, huh? We are catfishing tonight. We're out on the Mississippi. We both got 2 rods in the water, 1 rigged. Hey now, don't be doing that. We got 1 rigged with cut bait and then another one with crawler, night crawler. We'll sit out here for a few hours. We'll see it happen. Stay tuned. And yes, sir. Got a fish. Oh yeah. Oh, see your leader. Oh, I thought he popped off.
It's feeling a lot heavier here.
That's because he's closer to the boat. You ready, right? Woo! I got him. A smaller guy. Oh yeah, they're always fat in here. Okay. Wanna grab the GoPro? Oh. Freaking bugs.
How's that hook set look?
Good, actually.
He's in the corner.
Mm-hmm. Dude's job. Just caught him freaking. Can't get it up. Just caught him in the net. Hang on, buddy. Hook.
See the gill in there?
Hmm?
Is the gill in there?
We'll find out here.
I hope so.
Yeah, me too.
Run out of bait before we can go.
Hmm? Just grab him here. Not a bad fish to start, you know? Whew.
Nice kitty.
Definitely not a bad one. Good fish, brother. You want to hold him?
I guess, yeah.
Yeah. He's still got a lot of energy.
Yeah, I see that.
We'll get a quick measure on him too. I'm gonna bring him up there.
Got some shit up here.
Heads up. I'd say this guy's probably, I don't know, 6 pounds, 7 pounds at most.
It's gonna be about 24.
Yeah.
26.
Put your fin down, buddy. Alright, measure there.
26 and a half, 27.
Huh? Got on the GoPro there? 27 1/4 with tail pinch. That's what we'll call her. Let me know when you got it.
There we go.
Another fish. 7 3/4 pounds for the release. Oh. There he goes. There we go. Oh yeah, not a bad fish. Probably bigger than the first one. Oh shoot. Oh yeah, definitely bigger than the first one. Actually it's probably around the same size. Woo! Big old tail slap. There you go. Pull him up. Hey. netted. Haha. You want to hang on to the net here? The back of it. It's a lot better than it was. I got water all over my phone. Yeah, just hold it down.
Nailed that.
Attaboy. Let's take a look at him quick. Yeah, probably a 6-7 pounder again. We'll get a measurement on this one. Oh yeah, he's kicking.
Can I get